Everyone seems to be talking about how companies can use content marketing. The thing is, content marketing is not a new concept and has actually been around for hundreds of years already. When you build an audience that knows, likes and trusts you, they are much more likely to buy from you. My name is Steve Bruce and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer and coach. I help senior executives, business owners and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. In workshop number 9 in my LinkedIn for Business series, we'll take a deep dive into content marketing and how your company can use it to build your brand, generate sales, and present you powerfully to the market. You'll learn what content marketing is and why you need to be doing it, the different types of content marketing and how to create effective content marketing that addresses your clients' pain points, how to become a credible, authoritative resource on topics that matter to your clients. We'll look at case studies on how successful companies are using content marketing to grow their business. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.